Hey guys, I'm Sarah and lemons are reasonably cheap at the supermarket this week, so I thought I would do a lemony recipe. Now this is a really yummy lemon bars recipe that I've been requested by the family to do again. This is really easy to do as well. It's just bung all the ingredients in one bowl and you're good to go, which suits me. So first we want about 3/4 of a cup of plain flour, 1 cup of sugar. So you want 1 cup of coconut, preferably you want desiccated coconut. So there's this stuff, which is the shredded coconut, which I did use last time because I didn't have any desiccated coconut on hand until I found my desiccated coconut at the back of the pantry. So yeah, that nice fine stuff, that's the sort of stuff you want. But as I say, if you've just got shredded coconut, it'll do. You'll just get, you know, obviously you'll get little stringy bits through it, but it's not a major. So into here, we're going to crack 4 eggs. $125 grams of melted butter. And now here's the thing, originally I was meant to put a tablespoon of lemon rind, meaning just the, you know, basically the grated skin, and 1/2 cup of lemon juice. However, I'm literally going to chop this up, squeeze it, and put the whole lemon in here. Trust me, it works. It is so yummy. And you don't waste any. So let's chop this up so I can flick the pips out. And here's my chance to show off my ways that my husband fixed. It would have started developing this crack. And I said to him, no, we're going to have to do something like that. Normally he's got like some white, I don't know what exactly he moulded onto here, but apparently he's normally got some white stuff and he could have made a neater job, but blue was all he could find. So in case you ever see my wazzer and you wonder what on earth, that's to avoid buying a new one. Just going to chuck that lovely wazzed up lemon in there. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Going to mix this all together just using my hand mixer and gradually adding in 1.5 cups of standard milk, or blue top milk as it is here in New Zealand. Just adding that in gradually as I mix it. You got that big. One thing that you will notice is that it is really sloppy. It is, you're going to look at it and think she told me the wrong amount of flour or something. But no, it is very liquid. I'm using about a 20 centimetre square cake tin. Now, because this is one of these tins where the bottom lifts off like that, and it is a very liquidy mixture, it is prone to seeping through. So for that reason I am going to put baking paper on this, just so I don't get it dribbling all over the oven, because that would be so much fun to clean. Pour this in here. We're going to put this in the oven, 180 degrees Celsius, for between 45 minutes to an hour. You want it so that it's only just not jiggling and it's just starting to brown off on the top a little bit. So I'll put it in for 45 minutes, we'll have a look and report back. Okay, just taking that out of the oven, so it's just starting to brown slightly around the edges. I actually left that for about 55 minutes and it's just springs back slightly, it's not jiggly anymore. So I'm just going to leave that in the tray, leave that to cool. You want it to cool completely for a good couple of hours. This is not something you want to have warm. You can do, but it's a lot nicer once it cools down. So there you go, we will report back in a couple of hours with a taste test. Right,
My good.
taste test time.
Can I eat it? Can I eat it?
Yes, you can eat it. let the camera know. I mean, it's, you know, texture, it's almost, I mean, it's almost kind of like cheesecakey-ish texture, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of
gooey.
It's like a squishy bottom and gooey.
Mmm.
Slightly crusty top and gooey on the inside. I like it. Nice and lemony.
Plus it's like
It is.
lemon zest in there that you can...
There's the whole lemon. There we go, child approved. But yeah, you can definitely taste that coconut in there. How do I describe it? It's lemony. It's not overpoweringly sweet, but it's not blow your head off lemony, despite having the whole lemon in there. I think it's really, really good. That is really yummy. It has got, you know, the top is just very slightly crunchy. The bottom is, it's not moist, but it's slightly tacky to the touch. But I really like it. I think it is a really, really nice texture. And the coconut just goes with that lemon so well. That is so, so yummy. It is best kept in the fridge. As I say, it is best had room temperature or cold. Put it in the kids' lunch boxes. All good. Highly recommend it. Do it, people. Hit like, leave me a comment, subscribe. Make some lemon slice. Yum.